How to fix Discord video not playing. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the bottom right corner source icon. Again, click on the source bar. Now type Discord. Now make sure to update to the latest version. After updating, go back to your home screen. Keep holding the Discord icon. Now click on App Info. Now click on Force Stop and tap on Force Stop. Once you are done with that, go to Storage Usage and tap on Clear Data. Now tap on Delete and restart the application. If it still doesn't fix the issue, go to the Play Store again, tap on Uninstall, and then reinstall Discord. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.